Hey guys, welcome to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today I'm excited to show you an all-new subscription box. This here is the Play.com Hot Wheels Challenge Accepted box. If you want your very own, check out the link down below in the description. Now, the unique thing about this particular subscription box is it's actually sponsored by Hot Wheels, in which you get cars, a stunt package, even a shirt, as well as among many other things. So it's actually a really cool design, and it's a surprise every month. Also, this one here is the first one ever, so I'm really excited to show you what's inside. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this thing and see what it's all about. Alright, so this here's our box, in which on the cover itself it says Hot Wheels Challenge Accepted. You see like a city as well and some loops, so it looks really cool design. Definitely love the blue contrast to it. And it says fun has arrived, and literally this is how it comes. You can see the mailing right there as well. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what they sent. Oh wow, there we go. Alright, so this here just kind of talks about what exactly it comes with, so we'll actually go ahead and put that to the side for now. Now we have a few different things right off the back here. See this looking gadget or gizmo thing over here. Not exactly sure what this is used for yet, but we'll definitely go ahead and find out very shortly. I believe this is used to make your own stunts, so it should be quite fun to see. So we're going to put that to the side for now. Now I do see some cars. So we got a Velocita car. Look at that. It looks like almost like a Viper or like a Camaro or something really cool. And then over here we have another exotic. This here is the Gazella R. It's got a cool looking glass top that goes all the way across. And then we have ourselves the Cyber Speedster. This thing looks almost like a Lamborghini, especially really futuristic design. Really cool. So as we work our way through, it says here, challenge accepted, surprises inside. Almost looks like, oh cool, so it talks about the stunt and how to make this box into a stunt kit. That is so awesome. So I'm excited to go ahead and try this out. So you can see the box itself does turn into a stunt box. How sick is that? Then it talks about how it works and how you can go ahead and repeat it. And then it says use items from your track. And then look at this, like a little cute looking map over here, as well as like quick designs. We have like, oh look at that cool looking poster. And then we have a few different things as well. So it says think fast, like a questionnaire, like a little comic book actually. Ooh, coloring design, so you actually color these in it too. And like different games. And then yeah, so that's pretty interesting stuff. So definitely gonna use this when we go ahead and build this kit. And then we have ourselves a t-shirt. Definitely a very cool looking shirt. It's actually the car from here. Ah, sweet. So that's the same car right here. So this here is the Cyber Speeder. It's actually a really cool looking t-shirt. Definitely looks like a futuristic car. It says challenge accepted, surprises every month from Play. Very nice. Thank you. And then we have ourselves some track pieces to go ahead and help design our stunt track. And then we have this here. Wow, look at this exclusive set right here. This here is a track builder, Hot Wheels. So it's a kicker around the bend and it's a turn kicker. It says connect this to expand your system. And then you can see there's a car up here as well that it comes with. On the back here it kind of talks about what comes inside. So you get these turns, a turn kicker, and then what you can actually do in terms of expanding those. And this is you can connect and collect them all. So actually a really cool design. So let's go ahead and open this up next and see what this looks like. Alright, so this is everything that comes in that small box here. So we got ourselves a quick little start guide here explaining how to go ahead and create this turn kicker. And then literally this here is like the main hub of it. So what happens is you just go ahead and set it up just like this here. And then as soon as the car comes here and hits it, the other piece will kind of flip right over. You can actually see the rubber band stretching there. So literally it will just go ahead and whip the car. So it actually make it go even faster around the corner. So actually a really cool design. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and kind of set this all up and see how this looks. Alright, so essentially this is the design itself, so we're going to go ahead and lock this into place. There you go. And then for instance, this here's our car, so if it's going to come around, it should be whipped. So let's go ahead and try this and see if it actually kicks it. Whoa! So that actually worked out quite well and exactly the way it should have. Alright, so let's go ahead and kick it up a notch and try out the new Pleybox stunt ideas. So we're going to use the box itself and kind of build around it and see how this works out. Alright, so let's go ahead and try this out. I got my car right here. Now, literally what we did is we go ahead and use the box itself as almost like a tunnel for the car to come through. And then I'll go ahead and use the kicker right over here and whip it around. And eventually we're going to go ahead and have it go up the ramp and jump right off. Now for the ramp itself, we're using a clamp that it did come with, so you can even use it for a ramp or even holding up something else. And then it also does come with multiple pieces, such as this right here. This here is like a little trophy, so whoever comes in first or second. And it also comes with its own separate ramp or different pieces as well. So the fact that they can go ahead and incorporate this every month is actually really cool. So let's go ahead and try this out. I'm gonna put the car in here and try this. Oh, let's try that again. And yay! So yeah, there you guys have it. A great success and actually a great package nonetheless. Comes with a lot of different goodies as well as your own stunt kit, among with a variety of different ideas that you can go ahead and do it. Now, if you guys have any questions about the particular Hot Wheels challenge accepted, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching and we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye bye.